Children escaping gang violence in Central America are entering the United States illegally in record numbers, almost double year on year. More than 52,000 have been arrested since last October at the border with Mexico, the majority from Guatemala, El Salvador and Honduras, most unaccompanied by their parents. Deportation awaits illegals of any age, but U.S. law says minors must be placed with sponsors in the country, usually family, till their cases are heard. President Obama has asked Congress for extra crisis funding. Immigration opponents are furious, notably along the Mexican border. Some California residents have blocked Homeland Security buses carrying kids to shelter.
Close our borders. There are borders for a reason. If Mexico was the United States, there wouldn't be any borders. But Mexico is not part of the United States. Mexico is their own country, and our borders need to be closed.
Facing off against the antis are the supporters of Obama's promises to regularize some immigrants' status.
Have a conversation. Thank you, Obama. Thank you, Obama. Really?
This protester says closing the borders is bad because the Latinos are not the only illegal people. The Chinese, the Americans, the Africans, the Canadians, Europeans, they're all sorts of illegal people. There aren't any legal people here in the U.S. We're all illegal. The only legal people are the Native Americans because this is their country and it was stolen from them. Meanwhile, calls are growing in the House of Representatives to halt U.S. foreign aid to the children's countries of origin till they act to hold back the flood. U.S. border patrols are struggling to deal with the children humanely. The journey from Central America through Mexico is already dangerous. The youngsters also risk abuse at the hands of traffickers. This boy says people always try to scare you, saying that on the trip you'll be assaulted or kidnapped. That didn't happen to me because I travel with the faith that God's going to help me, and that He's going to protect me on my journey. It can take months to years to get an immigration court hearing. Seeking more judges and detention facilities, the Obama administration wants new emergency powers to fast-track deportation processing to a matter of days for tens of thousands of unprotected children.